In front of me is HONOR X7d, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off high performance mode. Start by opening settings and scrolling to tap on battery section available here. Now just tap on gray switcher next to performance mode to activate it. As you can see, after a few seconds, high performance is on. To switch it off, use the same no blue switcher. Quick tip if you want to know if high performance is currently on without entering settings every time. Just check for this icon at the top right corner of your screen. It's only visible when high performance is running. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!